Yeah, you are single or double?
I'm married. I have 4 husbands.
You have four husband?
Yeah.
Oh, one is tonight.
I
Mortgage
have
one.
4 husbands and 6 girlfriends.
They are suffering. Come on. Two mic. The four is two mic.
This doesn't work.
It should.
We can worry about that.
I know.
You want the five? You want to add me 5?
Oh, you want to make 5 husbands?
Yes. What?
I have to ask for permission. Baby! Do you have any kids?
No, I'm single. I have only one wife.
I have 12 12 kids. I have 10 boys and 2 girls.
What? Every week is children is out.
Yeah, the kids take it. Jesus, all right, you're popular, huh?
Look, thank you, look.
No way,
What is
Mister.
Your tattoo is very amazing.
As well, and they threw up 52 points, which
Guys.
we're high as well. So
Now, welcome. Sadim guys.
So do put them away quickly, don't we? We are so good at burying a team after one game. No. I mean, not me.
What is king?
Let's go.
What is king? Kureshiko. Yes, king.
No. You know, people were praising.
Mega galte. What is man?
That was one of my husbands.
You are
That
so
was
fighter.
that was one of my husbands.
Oh, your husband is here?
One of them. Just I have 2. One husband, 2 husbands.
Okay.
And then,
my wife is
right here,
top
my
one.
girlfriend, right here. Number
My
1
wife.
husband, number 2 girlfriend, number 3 husband.
Hurry no makayedam tiru shawadir. Hurry kayet.
Right here.
Yes, my husband top 1, top 2 is my wife. Husband in case stop.
You have husbands too?
No, my wife.
At least one of their stars is healthy. They just gotta hold
Oh, your wife?
come back. I know what
Your tattoo is all body?
You told me you were single.
what I'm saying is
Your tattoo is all body or this one?
Yep.
today to keep them going. Talk about trying to get the stars back on the field. Jay Glazer.
Akioni kab da chi tattoo.
You told me you were single.
Locker room with that toe injury. What is
Yes.
going on? Joe Burrow actually
But
tried.
you told me that's your wife.
Wasn't able to get some help from the trainers. He has turf toeing. Straight talked
Because
about
I'm gonna add.
Brock Purdy. Same
Because what?
A lot of people wonder, what is turf toe?
Yes, I'm gonna add it.
So, depending on the severity, will
Okay.
determine how long he'll be out for it. This does not look
Nice.
You're
Didn't you?
popular.
You talk
You have
about the-
600 friends in there.
Joe Burrow. Some other quarterbacks also.
Gili pa ko mabidate.
Today for the Jets with a concussion. He is in, they have to evaluate him further to determine how long.
Gili pa ko mabidate.
AR.
Washington. He got an MRI.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Before they determine
MVP, best friend with a bolt and a bolt and a glove.
going crazy.
Yung dubinda ka baduga tanay. Buy nur. Ara magudde. Ati nama be kamari gitte. Parang ginne gele gira. Tafsira. Unola. Warra ka tafsira godo ko ummati gege bhawe. Nabil Faram Amerika magalan giran. Bakani giro ma ifani giro. Wali dilita kan girtu. Banki ni girtu. Shirki ni sagibti. Amma wani ni harka Facebook ni wa TikTok ni harka ka bukan duruk gifti na takan noni tur. Badi gira. Yes. Level dila kan ni katabate. Ni dhiisise mana footoo dhiisise dhaqee. Leebila isaan agarreen isaa guutuu sossosu. Na duran isaa gaaf akaakiyya keenyaaf haa taphachiisu turan isaa. Bara kiyyatta nagan. Hai takka maqaan ishii love yourself. Offeetu. Sunni boonti. Sunni boonti nama jalaan qabdu. Love yourself. Iffadu huwa iffeetu. Iffeetu ko. Iffeetu dha maqaan. Anis fadhamaadha. Hai takka. Takka taajaajiba takka jira. What is people? Tap godha guys. Faranjiin bar tap hedduu gartu malee hin dhuftu. Yoo namni dila kun tap si godhe ni rifatan. Ati feema saayii nama hin jeen. Jaboon si gorsee share godhaa guys. Tap share godhaa hundi keessanuu. Hundi keessanuu. Never give up. Hundi keessanuu tap share godhaa. What is family? Tap godhuu qabda.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you from? Lubukallo.
America. Where are you from?
Oh, you live in America?
Yes.
Oh, which state?
Texas.
Oh, this Texas woman is amazing. Amazing.
Like the best state.
Wow. Oh, you are very single?
Me?
Yes.
Yes. I mean, I do have like 7 husbands, but
7 husbands?
I was thinking about it. I was thinking about having 7.
Because
Why, bestie?
because I'm one of your bestie, your love.
What?
Yeah.
You want to be my love? Is that what I heard? J-Mac.
Do you accept me?
Do I accept you?
Yes.
What do you mean? What's the
Because
question?
you are so beautiful.
Oh. What do you want me to accept?
Do you know Ethiopia? I'm from Ethiopia.
Say that one more time. 3 trees is wild. We got way more than 3, okay?
What is it? Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Thank you. Faranjii meeqaan naan jaasite baran. I love you. Yes, thank you.
J-Mac.
Oh, Hararge da kuni feta. You love Hararge, Ethiopia? Ethiopia is very beautiful country.
Ethiopia?
Yes.
That's where you're from?
Yes, I'm from Ethiopia.
Oh, I bet it's beautiful. I can imagine.
Yes, Ethiopia is too much cave and the mountain and the beach. Amazing. What is people? Wow, amazing. Ethiopian people is just like American people.
Well, dang. Listen, that sounds like a whole ass vacation.
Yes. Come on, come visit.
That's too expensive, though. I don't know. That sounds expensive.
Ticket is expensive.
the plane flight is probably like $3,000.
That is not problem. I'm King Quraishi. I buy for you.
Thank you, Nicole.
Oh. Ticket I buy for you. You want
If
you want to chill, you want to chill with me?
if you send me a lion, I might be able to afford it.
What?
3 more roses, chat.
Dufu ya gafete duba haram gendain as genyi mati gabunet afan kana chai jalat farangi.
Chat, we need a lion so I can fly to Utah.
Rakama kailangan. Listen,
I'm listening.
babe.
Yes.
Rakama kailangan ito. Take me your number.
Dang, you didn't even listen. You don't even know nothing about me. Relax.
Please, every single day I call you.
You call me every single day.
Yes.
I don't think that would. I don't know. That would.
Why? I'm gonna talk with you.
You don't trust me. You don't want to talk to me every day. I'm really not fun to talk to.
Every woman is wrong. Why?
Oh, you just trying to hook up with every woman?
Because you say is I love you. I'm not forgive you your number. No. What is problem? Every single day. What is people?
Okay, if I beat you, I'll give it to you.
Okay. Stephen Khanai, thank you.
I have to win the match, though.
Wow. Stephen Khanai, you silky. One brown.
Nicole, he just wants to go eat, I think.
You only give me a number? No, another one?
If I win the match.
Okay.
But
Tapamoy.
I'm losing right now, so.
Oh, you are tall woman or short?
What could you ask your people to come send a heart me?
My people is ask you that girl is short or tall?
Short.
Oh, you are short?
Yeah, if you have your people come give me a heart me, I'll give it to you. I'll give you my number.
Number ka jisi man kanati onne na gubbo fasikini gubbo barte. Number ka jisi kanu dab onne ta kana kan nani wore man khaiti nanji tujit. Wai gubbo bakka hunta. Girum bakka hunta kalwit. Girum bi hunta bakka. Erga farangi kada barte. What these people? Girum bakka hunta. Girum bakka hunta kalwit. Okay, nice to meet you.
You want a rematch?
Yes.
You do want a rematch?
You want a rematch? My family is another program. Okay, sorry.
What?
I have another program. Okay, you understand me?
No, but that's okay.
Apologize. Okay.
Okay. We'll see.
I love you, beauty. Nice to meet you. Farangile kabajanga ge nakati. Kabajada. Nama hunda baredun. Kabajana idugari. Kabajan dansa. Farangina katilal. Tapi mal tatano bolo. Rakko jira. Mal tu malte. Mal di sini bales. Giftino. Yeroo babbareedaa tokko dhufeema. Hi, Johara.
Hello, how are you,
How are
Jamano?
Wow.
Nice to meet you. Wanna play the game?
Yes, I want to play with you. Where are you from?
From Bangladesh. Where are you from?
Oh, Bangladesh. Wow, Bangladesh is amazing.
Thank
Wow.
you. Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia, Kulkulu.
Ethiopia. You know, injera, right? You guys eat injera.
Bidden. No, it is Injera. No, original name is Bidden.
What is that?
Amara Nudro Be is in Injera Yemale Bidden.
Ooh, I don't know that. What you say?
I say name is not Injera, Bidden.
Bidet.
Bidden, yes.
Ooh.
Amara airport Nudro Bani
We
Injera
make
Injera.
some kind of bread. We make some kind of bread like called chapri, kind of the same injera.
Yes. Injera name is the first Injera name is Bidden. Second name is second name is Injera. Okay? Yes. Bidden Oromoo. Yes. No, I'm Bani airport.
Somebody asking what is
Injera. What is people? Huh?
lafiso?
Lapiso! What? Why can it differ Lapiso? I love Lapiso. Hulbat Marach. Bidden. What is Lapiso? Amazing food.
Oh.
Lapiso is very amazing. Hararge turtani. Please come Ethiopia. You are Hararge kullu wallahi.
Guys, 3 roses.
Johara.
Yes.
Oh, Johara. You wanna visit Ethiopia?
I would love to. Yes.
Please come on. Lapiso teni darbatta. Harawacha kene fudatta. Hojja kene dabbatta. Chaya kubo jalani tes. It's amazing life. Ethiopia is very too much cave, mountain, and the what is dam.
Oh, wow. Guys,
Abai. Akamit banna. Kina. You are single, Johara.
no, I'm married. I have husband.
What is my chance? What is my chance? Every single day, every beautiful woman is have a husband.
Yes, that's why they are always married. Beautiful women, they keep their beauty for their married man and for themselves. They glow because of their men, because men take care of them very nicely. That's why if you wanna see single girl, it's not that much glowing because single girl they're already.
Okay, you have sister?
Yeah, tell me.
Oh, you have sister?
I do have sister. She's married also. She has kids.
Oh.
Somebody
Please.
say Rahate Fudo.
Rahate Furaddu. Say Rahate Furaddu.
Rahate Fudo.
Rahate
Frudo.
Furaddu.
Something like that, yeah.
Say Furaddu. Rahate Furaddu.
It's gone already. Rahate Frondo.
Yes. Rahate Furaddu. Wallahi si tolchao. Rahate Furaddu kurvo. Joharatin. Obolo.
What?
Yes. Rahate Furaddu.
Rahate Frondo.
Furondo gotir nagila. Only for Spain for Cassidy. No Furondo. Furaddu.
Frondo. Okay.
Ya Rabbi khiji Spain for Cassidy. Rahate Furaddu. Say du. Furaddu.
Ruko.
Ya Rabbi khiji nasatta.
Means be.
Furaddu. Say du.
Oh.
Ya Furaddu. Afham balage. Oh mujo tanawa. Oh Joharatin ya gadda fakana gurutin.
I don't understand nothing, guys. I don't understand Ethiopian language, guys. But thank you, every person coming from his side. Welcome to my live. Everybody join my team. You guys are amazing. You guys.
Isaac Abdul. Because you have husband. You have husband. No chance. What is people?
Husband is good. Having husband is pride.
Your husband is very beautiful. Just like me.
He is handsome. Very, very, very handsome.
Oh, handsome. Oh, that you're handsome girl. Beautiful life. Sorry. Your husband is cool?
He is cool, yes. He's
What is
cool.
people?
He's
Oh,
so
right.
cool. Guys, nice.
Thank you. Wow.
I'm gonna go after.
Yes. Okay. Nice to meet you, okay?
Same
Thank
here.
you.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yoo xiqqaate warra Bangladesh. Injera biddeen barsiifnee jira. Waanuma Oromoon dalayde nu afaan bahanii. Injera faranjii this is injera. No, this is biddeen. This is biddeen. What is people? Ni laffaana khabiraatiin maqaa baafata biyya tana keessatti. No injera. This is biddeen. What is people? What is people? Hi. Maal jechuun? Every single injera. No injera. Biddeen. Original name. Laapiso. Taphee. Qabsoodha tunis. Tunis qabsoo. Qabsoon xiqqoon qabdu. Qabsoo fi dhalaan xiqqoon qabdu. Baraasama. Mataa nyaatu ofee giyyaaraatu ohoo. Ilma amboo dhufee yaa gilaashii karaasa magadaa nyaatu ofee giyyaaraatu ohoo. Ilma amboo dhufee yaa gilaashii karaasa magadaa nyaatu ofee giyyaaraatu ohoo. Gurbaa amboo dhufee yaa gilaashii karaasa magadaa nyaatu. Biqiltuu koo.
ZAMANO.